Hi, so today I'm gonna be making tuna patties. So I have this one right here. It is whatever ounces it says right there, 9 ounces, okay? I'm gonna pour it in a bowl. I've drained all the juice out already. Hold on. So there's no juice in here. You have to drain it out first. Okay, so I'm gonna add, see the tomato right there? And I got onion, I would say about 1/4 of a cup. Now, add that to tuna and the onion. I'm gonna add some celery in there too, but I don't have that with me, so hold on. 2 eggs. And right here in the blender, I put a whole pack of crackers, but I'm only gonna use half of this. I blended it all up. Okay. I only used half, okay? So we're gonna mix it all up. Okay, if it looks a little wet, you probably still need a little bit more cracker mix. So I'm gonna add that so it can form a better ball, a better patty. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look, okay? I still have to add the celery.